Okay, well, we're in Cedar Brae in the southwest of Calgary on a cul-de-sac, another renovation project. My name is Drew. Let me make sure I don't bump myself into the trees. We're gonna take you inside to this one. Welcome to the Calgary Home Sale Channel, helping you sell quicker, buy smarter, whether you're a seasoned investor or this is your first ever property. Love to show these. So this was another one that one of the investors has taken on. We're gonna take you inside. Welcome inside to this project. Now this one is not a bungalow. That's gonna have to be a lot of reconfiguration like you'll probably see here on the channel. This one's a 2-story house. Stairs will take you up. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and there's space to actually add an ensuite, which we'll make sure and check out. Great living space on the main floor, which we'll go through. And then downstairs, there'll be another bedroom and a bathroom. 2-piece bath on this main floor, 2 baths up, 1 down. So we'll have 4 beds, 3.5 baths. Let's take a look. So the drywall is all up. This is going to be a lot of space for your kitchen. All this is gonna be new countertop. You're gonna have all the cabinetry up top. Sink is gonna be taking you out towards the backyard. No, yes, this is just some appliances in here, but laundry's over on the other side. So you'll have your stove, which will be here, and your hood fan, and there will be a gas range, which is great. Now over on this side is your living room, front living room. There's a bit of a space here as well, which I guess could be used as dining. We do have that other room to the front. It's gonna be pretty much up to the homeowner or how they decide to stage it once the design is done. Now through here, which is great, is gonna be main floor laundry. So right off of your kitchen, we actually have laundry on this. We don't have to go all the way down into the basement. And your guests can go straight past into the 2-piece powder room. This is where the family will be. So we've got the family room towards the backyard. You see the nice stone. This is all gonna be repainted. I believe they're gonna be putting an insert in here as well, but we'll leave that up to the design choices once that comes through. And you can see that we've got a very nice backyard with some evening sun. And the detached garage. So downstairs we come down and it splits to either side, but it's still lots of great usable space down here. So the panel is going to be updated, taking you through. We see the light, and back over here is actually going to be into the mechanical area. Let's head back over on this side, which takes you through. This will be like a nice games area or downstairs living room. Right off of here is going to be a 3-piece bath. The shower's already put in. The toilet and sink will be in. You got a great guest room down here. The windows will be opened up, taking you out to the backyard and the closet. Don't forget, if you want to follow the journey on this one, to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss when I post the next video. So up here we've got 2 more bedrooms. Towards the back side of the house. We've got one over here which faces out towards the cul-de-sac, and the 3rd bedroom in the house which faces out towards the backyard. Now if you follow straight down the hall, we're gonna come past the bathroom, which is going to have at least 1, if not 2 sinks. I think it'll be single sink with a toilet and your stand-up shower. Tons of space in here. We've got lots of space for closets. Almost a reading area. Again, that's gonna come up to design choice. And then this, which was a bit of a closet space before, ultimately is now gonna become the ensuite. So you'll see we have space for dual sinks. The shower's already in. We're gonna have the toilet, and you have that great light coming in the evening. This is gonna be a great one when it's done. Really looking forward to showing it to you. All right, so thanks for taking a walk through the house. I know this is just the beginning stages and just the drywall is up, but this is what we want to make sure and show you everything behind the scenes. So if you are an investor or been thinking about investing here in Calgary, then absolutely reach out. If you've got a question or comment, make sure you leave it down in the section below, or you can reach me with the information that's here up on the screen. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you got family or friends who you think would be interested in content like this. It really helps me to grow the channel, and it keeps me motivated to do more stuff like this. So if you want to keep hanging out, click one of these pictures around here. We got another video for you, and I'll catch you there.